episode of Which One Doesn't Belong. I have my special guest teachers here who are excited to share what they are noticing. And could I start with a teacher telling us, what do you see in today's picture?
I see fractions in today's picture and a visual with circles and squares.
Okay. Anything else, or are we ready to dig in? Now, boys and girls, remember, there is a reason why every single picture doesn't fit with the other three pictures. And I want you to see if you can come up with just one way, or maybe even two. The teachers are going to share what they see, and you may agree with them, or you may say, I think it's a different one for a different reason. So you can go ahead at this point and pause the video and take a good look at the pictures and see which one you think doesn't belong. Tell somebody around you. And then when we come back in a few minutes, I'll have the teachers share. Okay, welcome back. Teachers, are you ready to share your thinking?
Sure.
Who would like to go first?
I could go first.
Excellent.
Okay.
Mrs. Lamanna, tell us.
I think the top right does not belong there because all of the other shapes are divided into 8 pieces and it only has 3 pieces.
Oh, I like that noticing. Thank you. You noticed that this circle is only broken into 3 pieces, but all the others have 8 pieces. Excellent. Anyone else?
I noticed that the upper left circle is the piece is colored in blue.
And
it's green like the others.
Okay. 3 are green and only 1 is blue. Now, boys and girls, your teachers know this. You would not know this, but when we were growing up, there was a Sesame Street song. One of these things is not like the other. So you know the blue is not like the other. Anybody else? We've got the top 2 done.
I noticed the bottom right is a fraction greater than 1/2, but the other 3 are all less than 1/2.
Oh, Miss Secor, you are looking at your benchmarks there. Thank you. I like that, boys and girls. This is only how much, teachers?
1/8.
1/8, and this is
1/3.
1/3. Now this one actually has multiple possible answers. Who could give me both possible answers for this?
It's 2/8 and 1/4.
That's right, 2/8 or 1/4. All 3 of these, 1/8, 1/3, 2/8, 1/4, are all less than 1/2. Last question on Miss Secor's noticing. Who can give me the 2 possible fraction names for this colored in?
You either have 6/8 or you could have 3/4.
I like it. Okay, boys and girls. Sorry, teachers, boys and girls. Anybody? Is there any other thing that you think doesn't belong? Did we do all of them? Miss Frolickstein?
One thing I noticed was that the top right 1/3 is the only fraction that can't be equivalent in fourths. So I noticed the other fractions could either be written as fourths or eighths, possibly, or eighths, I guess. And the top right one does not fit with that.
Very observant, Miss Frolickstein. Now, what would happen, Miss Frolickstein, if we were to maybe divide these thirds in half? What size pieces would those be?
Do you want me to say?
Sure.
Okay. I didn't know if we wanted, I hope that kids paused it and were thinking of that too. I think that would split everything into sixths.
Oh, because we'd have 2 pieces here, 1, 2 pieces here, 3, 4, and 2 pieces here, 5, 6. Excellent. Teachers, do you have anything else that you'd like to add before we finish up for the day? Okay, thank you so much for joining us for this fraction number talk on which one doesn't belong. Boys and girls, there is more to come. So I hope you come back soon. I am going to stop recording now. Bye-bye.